la 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 la. Yum bum 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 bum. And this door leads to whoa, a single sparkly shoe. Fancy. La 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 la. What about here? Definitely not. La 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 la. La 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 la. Knock knock. Hey, oh. No, we'll just cover that. So many stairs. Why so many stairs? I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I made it. There you are. Hi, I'm Olaf and I made it. There you are. Hi, I'm Olaf and I like favorite time of year when we celebrate the holidays. Oh, but this year I want to create a special holiday surprise for my friends, and I need a little help. Little siblings, come on, Slug and Slush and Slide and Ansel and Flake and Fridge and Flurry, Powder and Crystal and Squalor and Pat and William. Everyone's here. Time to decorate the castle. Why? Because it's that time of year. Look at them go. Decorating is an art, so express yourself. Okay. More decoration. Oh, don't forget the banner. Perfect. Oh, fruitcake.
Olaf?
Oh, here come my friends. Everyone, hi.
Olaf? Oh, have any of you seen... Oh, my.
Ahoy, happy lids?
Surprise!
Olaf, you did this?
With help from my helpful little helpers. Holiday surprise for my friends.
Oh.
I guess it's the thought that counts.
Thank you, little siblings. Now off to bed. Off you go. No pushing, William. Good, Snowies. Do you like your surprise?
Oh, we love it. But maybe it could use a little more something.
I know just the something it needs. May I?
You may. So that's how you spell happy holiday.
I don't know. I still think it's missing something.
Oh, yeah!
Now it's time for our holiday surprise.
We proudly present...
The Yule Bell!
Anna, you brought the Yule Bell from Arendelle.
That's right. Oh, I mean, Kristoff and Sven helped a little. It's finally here and it's happening fast. We'll make a throw we have missed in the past. It's time to celebrate as we bring in the Let the holidays begin!
Oh, before we go, I have a holiday surprise too.
Oh, you do?
What is it?
Well, it's what makes the holiday season so special.
Oh, I know. Is it presents?
Something better than gifts.
Must be sweets.
No,
Games?
not that either.
But what else is there?
Time with those we love.
Oh, Elsa.
Being able to share a special moment with friends and family.
Now that's a holiday surprise.
May we keep the love of the season in our hearts all year long.
Ahoy, Happy Liz! I mean, happy holidays!
Thanks for being the season with us.
Warm holiday hugs for everyone.
Friends and family, I hope you enjoyed the Frozen holiday surprise, yeah? Spending holidays together is so nice, my son. Now go to enjoy the rest of your night and let it be merry and bright.